You know, this is a really interesting era that I'm in my life. This like healing, truly learning who I am, what I'll tolerate, what I'm all about, like phase that I'm in. And like I realize I'm in the era of no, and I'm not going to do it. I'm in the era of no, and I'm not going to do it. You want to? No. You want to come to this? No. You want to try this? No. Why? Because I said so. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No. It's a complete sentence. Say it with me, y'all. No. Even my best friend one time, like, he was like, you want to go to the straight club, straight bar? No. And the reason why, like, not just with that, but the reason I'm saying no to a lot of things, because if I feel like it's gonna make the hairs on my knuckles stand up, if it's gonna disrupt my peace in any kind of form or fashion, it's gonna be a no. It's going to be a no. And, you know, it doesn't matter who the relationship is. No. So don't take it personal. You want to try this on? No. You want to go to the grocery store? No. How about that? No. You ready to go to sleep? No. No. And it's because I said so. So respect my no. Ooh, that's a good one. Respect my no. I mean, not saying that I have much of a social life anyway and people are just bearing my door down to have these social interactions with me, but it's still going to be a no. When you spend most of your life like going places and doing things just because people say like you should, and then you realize like how much it didn't really do for you, you're just kind of like, no. And if you haven't, keep living. Come take this shot of vodka with me. No. Okay, maybe not that. 2024. No. Hey, I'm Isaiah, and you're watching Disney Channel. I was trying to do the no thing. Okay, so that was a quick PSA. Tell these people no. Tell these motherfuckers no. Tell them no. All I gotta say is, say no like Isaiah. And if you ain't even talking about money involved, you want to come take these pictures, you ain't talking about no money? No. We need to lead off with money first. You want me to come play for this service, but we need to talk about money first. Otherwise, it's an automatic no. It's a hard no. Meaning there's no coming back from that. No.
Will you?